Today's topic of discussion is Milky Way's future. Yes, we are in this video talking about, going to talk about the future of our home galaxy Milky Way. So first let us discuss something about the structure of the galaxy. So Milky Way is our home galaxy, and just beside this one more galaxy is there that is known as Andromeda Galaxy, and that is larger as compared to the galaxy Milky Way. So the diameter Milky Way is its structure is so complex. At the central portion there is a bulge, spherical bulge is there. Outer portion is composed of dark matter halos. So many arms are there, and it is almost bar shaped. So the structure of the Milky Way galaxy is so complex, and its diameter varies from 1 lakh light years to 2 lakh light years, means 100,000 light years to 200,000 light years. Yes, the diameter of Milky Way galaxy varies. It is not a constant value because the age of the Milky Way galaxy is not so clear. Okay, it is diffused. The age of the Milky Way galaxy is diffused. Always new stars are forming. Again, at the age, dark matter halos are there. So measurement of all those things are so difficult. Okay, and also the galaxy itself is dynamic in nature. So size varies. Anyway, I'm not talking about here how the size varies from this value to this value, but this is the value used by the astronomers: 100,000 light years to 200,000 light years. Okay, and the sun, along with our solar system, orbits around the galaxy, Milky Way galaxy, and it takes almost 230 million Earth years, 230 million, okay, 230 million light years. Anyway, so this is the time, and this is known as galactic year or cosmic year, galactic year or cosmic year. Okay, and I have already mentioned that the central portion of the Milky Way galaxy is spherical, and at the center there is a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A star. Okay, this is a supermassive black hole, and its mass is equal to, if you compare with Sun, then this is almost equivalent to 4.1 million Sun. Means if you multiply the mass of the Sun with 4.1 million, then you will get the mass of the Sagittarius A star black hole. Okay, this black hole is positioned at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Now we are talking about the future of the galaxy. Future. This event is not going to take place in the coming few years. It will take almost 4.5 billion years. Yes, the range, actually there is a range of estimation. It varies from 4 billion to 5 billion years, means Earth years. Okay, years are always mentioned with respect to our planet Earth. Okay, 4 billion years to 5 billion years. So average value is 4.5 billion years. So after this much time, there will be a collision between Milky Way galaxy and Andromeda Galaxy. And after collision, there will be a formation of new galaxy, new elliptic galaxy. This is the estimation of the astronomers. The shape of the galaxy will be like an ellipse. Okay, means elliptical. And one more thing is there. What is that thing? Yes, already the name of the new galaxy has been proposed. Okay, and that name is Andromeda. Not Andromeda, sorry, Milkomeda. Milky Way galaxy plus Andromeda galaxy. So combined name of the new galaxy after the collision Okay, that name is given already by the astronomers, and that name is Milkomeda Galaxy. Anyway, so that will happen almost after 4.5 billion years. Okay, and before that, the structure of our Milky Way galaxy will be changing. Okay, and the number of stars in our Milky Way galaxy at present, it also varies. This number also varies from 100 billion to 400 billion. 100 billion to 400 billion. Okay, because the measurements about the astrophysical phenomena are not so accurate. Yes, accuracies are there, but in many cases, guesses are made. Okay, that's why there is a range of the number of stars. Means counting differs. For different measurement system, countings are different. That's why the number of stars varies from 100 billion to 400 billion. So, future of the Milky Way galaxy, that was the topic of discussion, and after 4.5 billion years, that is the future. And what will happen after that, that is still not known, or that has not estimated or analyzed by the astronomers. Okay. So, a collision is going to take place. No doubt it's a colossal event. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about the topic. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.